Yo, Wagwan family. My name Mel'OJAH. Me come from a little French country called Gabon in Central Africa. Yo, let me tell you this. Me grew up with reggae, with legends like Bob Marley, Capleton, Sizzler, Peter Tosh, Charlie Chaplin, that things. Reggae is roots. So, me just grew up with that and it was my first time to come cross the Jamaican part, because me love the languages, the accent, the way they might talk. So that was me start to follow Jamaican things. Did find the ecosystem patois in YouTube. Me were looking how to learn the languages, and when me start me burden say, oh, you can't learn it. Me just say, oh, me know me could have learned it. Me will put myself in. So me in 2018 me just start to really understand what Vab Cartel say. So me start with Vab Cartel songs. Me already there in reggae things. So we start with Bad Cartel Stone, and actually me I still discover some new artists that make me understand more, because me too I'm a singer. Me like to sing in patois. Me no like me a French, but me no like to talk French too much. So me just roll it up in things in patois. That the things. Yo, me like many things in Jamaica. Me like them culture, them accent, them song, them rhythm, wagon. So me like many things. Even them food, me start to cook Jamaican food myself. Me learning on YouTube too. So it's a just big things. Me start to hold it up in my mind. Yo, that one is a good question. So if me find someone who want to learn Jamaican Patois, what me would I say? What me would I do? Me go encourage him. And me know we come from far. Like the whole of them, we have come from far. So when you want to learn something, just put your heart in. So for that, big up Miss General Andre, big up yourself, enough respect, cause F me Chat Patwah today, because you're dead there. If you teach me, you're a great teacher. Big up you, the whole of Uno in the crew, the Chat Patwah WhatsApp crew. Yeah, Chaos, Joe, Black Boy, how we call it? We forgot the name. Penguin in the whole of them, Chris. Every day, every day, Chris. So, big up yourself. Jamaican Patois all over the world. We are gonna make it. Andre, the things go.